Let's take a look at some of the really powerful AI ML features inside of CloudFuse, and we'll see them wherever there is an Explorer. Right now, we're going to go take a look at the Metrics Explorer. We'll run a quick query. Let's look at Kubernetes CPU and pick up system total. We see a chart here over the last hour. Maybe let's make it the last 3 hours. And in looking at this query, doing an aggregation based on average, let's make that a max and let's click the function button. It allows for us to choose from over 70 different functions that are built into CloudFuse. Let's choose one of the algorithms here for anomalies. CloudFuse is applying some sophisticated AI ML here to give you an understanding of how this data behaves. But let's go a little bit deeper and use an algorithm by Facebook called Prophet. You'll see that in Agile Robust. And that gives us a much better understanding of how the normal behavior is, so we only see a small number of outliers. While we're at it, let's go ahead and add another query to this. Let's look at Redis CPU user. And we can understand both the normal and expected behavior of this data and get a sense if we're trending in a direction that is outside what we expect. While we're at it, let's also add some forecasting. Go to Algorithms, click Forecast, and then combine all the queries into one chart. And we can get a good idea of how we expect this data to perform over the next 2 hours. We can also see this in Log Analytics by adding that same function to get an understanding of the normal behavior of our data. And when we create alerts in CloudFuse, we can use all of that sophisticated AI ML. In this case, let's go grab Anomaly. We'll pick one of those same metrics, Redis CPU user. We can see the historical view of how it's going to behave. We'll go and pick the robust algorithm. And then we can trigger alerts based on what the algorithms find. And in this case, we're saying if it's 20% above or below over the last 10 minutes, let's go ahead and alert. And feel free to hit that function button wherever you see it. You'll find those advanced algorithms, simple functions, and a whole lot of other options for you to analyze your data or alert however it is you need.